Hi, I'm Andy, the trend follower. It's Saturday, the 13th of August 2022. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which is going to do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds and foreign exchange. Let's look at shares. First of all, and the fund that I follow didn't change much this week, but because it closed above the blue line the week before, I had opened a new position and I bought. So if it closes below the blue line, I'll exit the trade. But in the meantime, I'll keep it going. Let's look at property next. And the property fund that I follow rose nicely this week, but it's still below the 12-month and the 6-month moving averages. So I'm staying in cash. I wonder what will happen next week. Let's look at gold now, and gold price in pounds rose a little bit this week. It's above the 12-month moving average, so I'm staying invested. Let's look at commodities next, and 2 weeks ago I had a buy signal and I opened a new long position in commodities, and this is now nicely into profit. I'm obviously an investment genius. Cryptocurrency is next, and my crypto proxy dropped slightly this week. It's below the green line, so I'm staying in cash here. But do you remember me talking about PayPal last week? Well, it had closed above its 6-month average, the blue line. You can see where that happened here. An early signal to buy, perhaps. You can see that while the price was falling, the relative strength index, the RSI, was rising, and this is known as divergence. And it can sometimes be an indicator of a reversal, which is what we seem to be happening here. So I've gone long on PayPal. Now, PayPal were interviewed by Fortune magazine early this year, and one of the communications between them said that, quote, crypto continues to be a strategic priority for PayPal, which I thought was a very interesting quote. Maybe I should use PayPal as my crypto proxy. Perhaps I'll start doing that. Let's look at bonds next, and the bonds that I follow are still well below the yearly average, the green line. I plan to buy them when they close above the 6-month moving average, the blue line. But they haven't got there yet. Let's look at Forex next, and the euro-dollar price specifically. A slight rise of the euro against the dollar this week. I'll buy when it closes above the 6-month average, the blue line. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes. And for shares, an early buy signal makes shares an amber. So it's not above the green line, it's just above the blue line. Property remains red below both of them. Gold is green, commodities remain a green. My crypto proxy remains a red, but one possible crypto proxy, PayPal, has turned amber. Maybe I'm going to shift to using PayPal as my proxy. I'm long PayPal right at the moment. Bonds remain a red, and the euro US dollar also remains red. No new positions for me this week. I just need to adjust my stop loss orders on my open positions. It's a nice and easy process for me. Do you want to see a weekly update about what I do? Make sure you're signed up to my Substack. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. I don't make any claim about how this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody else in the future. And if you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this as entertainment, rather like gambling. Hope you have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Give some money to the Ukrainian refugees via the UNHCR website. Cheers. Bye.